Hello. Today I will show how to crochet a puff flower. Need 2 colors of yarn. You can choose your favorite colors to match. So let's start from crocheting the flower heart. Take out the yarn. Wrap it around your finger. Pinch the intersection with your thumb. Hook over yarn and pull through the loop. Then make a chain stitch. Create 10 single crochets on the loop. Finishing 10 single crochets, tighten the loop. Minimize it like this. Take the hook out from the loop. Then insert the hook into the 2 loops. Next, take the another yarn out. Put it behind our fabric. Yarn around the hook and pull the yarn through the loop. Then we have changed the yarn. Next, make a slip stitch with the 3 yarns in front of the hook. Then conceal the end. Okay, next we need to make 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing the 5 chain stitches, yarn over. Next, make 3 unfinished double crochets in this stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. Then there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the hook. That is an unfinished double crochet. Yarn over again. In this stitch, continue to make the remaining 2 unfinished double crochets in the same way. Finishing the 3 unfinished double crochets. Yarn over again. Insert hook into the next stitch. Continue to make 3 unfinished double crochets in the same way. Then, there are 7 loops on the hook. Like this. Hook the yarn and pull up the 7 loops through the stitch. Okay, then we make 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing the 5 chain stitches. Insert hook into this stitch. Yarn over. Okay, turn it over. Then repeat. Make 5 chain stitches. Yarn over. Insert hook into the next stitch. 2 stitches are a group. Continue to make 3 unfinished double crochets in a stitch. Move into next stitch. 1, 2, 3, okay, there are 7 loops on the hook. Hook the yarn and pull up the 7 loops through the stitch. Work 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Insert the hook into this stitch, like this. Then hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. 2 petals are done. Continue to make the remaining 3 petals in the same way. Make the 5th petal, hook the yarn. Pull yarn through all 7 loops. Work 5 chain stitches. Then make a slip stitch in the last stitch. Take scissors and snip off the yarn, leaving a good amount of yarn. About 3 cm is enough. Then we take it from the reverse side. Insert the hook into here. Bring this yarn to the reverse side. And then we hide the yarn end. You can hide it with a needle, or just do it like me. Bring it directly with hook. Okay, then we snip the extra yarn off. Take a look. Such beautiful puff flower is done.